Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about what is the most rewarding, or what are some things that I consider very rewarding being a freight broker. Well, one thing, I'm out here playing golf and I'm making money, so the ability to not be tied down to an office, not be tied down to an employer's office. So the flexibility of working where you want. It could be an office. It could be an office part-time, full-time, whatever, however you want to do. But the fact is you have control, which is my second point. Another deal that's rewarding being a freight broker is the ability to take control. I remember when I had a job, I was an employee, I was controlled, right? I had to be there at this time, had to leave at this time. Let's face it, you're almost a number and you could be let go and replaced at any moment. That's not having a real grip of control in your career. Another thing that's rewarding is the freedom that comes with making money. And this is a vehicle to earn a lot of money while you're providing value, which feels great when you're providing value for everybody and you're getting paid well to do it. So it's a job where you can make a lot of money, feel great about it, have the freedom and control. And these are just some of the few things that I find are very rewarding, not to count for the opportunities that you can give others being a freight broker. Whether that's carriers, whether that's hiring freight agents, whether that's friends, whether that's family, or whether that's people that want to come on board and you develop a relationship with them. So having a great network of people you're working with is also rewarding. All right, so hope that shines a light on the rewards of this business. Not to count for you're a CEO, but you know who I am by now, Alex Castell. Please subscribe, do that bell thing so you don't miss the next video. See you guys on the next video. You guys take care. Bye.